Good morning, everybody. Today's the day. Getting ready for winter. We're going to build that bin to put our sand and salt. It is about 40 out, a little crispy. But we're going to head down and make a few trips, pick up a bunch of blocks, and start putting this stuff together. So let's get started. Let's see, carry the 9. Okay, there's 18,000 pounds. Let's take it home. Alright, so we were able to put 5 blocks on the trailer and 3 in the dump truck. I made 2 trips, Brian made 3, so we got 19 blocks. I had an idea in my head of how I wanted to stack them, but decided to just do one big bin, so we ended up with an extra block. The 60 lifted them pretty well. I was pretty impressed. The 50 deer last year definitely wouldn't have handled them like this, so I'm pretty happy with that. But Brian went off to get another load, and then we'll get started putting this thing together. First thing I'm going to do is move all this shit. Then we'll carve out a nice little spot to put this thing. This is a rental property, so I didn't want to put a ton of effort into this project. I thought about paving this bin, but I think we're only going to use it for 1, maybe 2 years until we move into our own shop. So for now, I'm just going to level it out, gravel it, put in a good base, get these blocks put up, and we'll just use it for this year and see how it goes. We use mostly gravel. Wow, that was retarded. In the wintertime, we use mostly sand and salt. Mix. Sometimes we use straight salt. We've got an account this year that wants salt all the time, so one corner of it, we're just going to cover up some salt with a tarp. Salt price is quite expensive this year, more than last year for sure. So we'll probably go down and grab 10 yards of it, keep it there. I still have a 14-yard load of sand salt mix left over from last year, so we'll get that put in. Probably have 3 more loads delivered so we can stock up on that. And we'll bring in the Grizzly that I made last year. If you guys are interested, go through the videos and check out fabricating a Grizzly. That was kind of a fun project that Kevin and I did. Here we are, back a week later. Actually, only 8 days later. It is now 20 degrees and frozen, and we are now sanding. The last time you saw us, it was 70 degrees. So we got this thing loaded up with sand, and now we're gonna start using it. So enjoy the next minute or so of footage.